Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we are making a number of YouTube videos on different softwares. So what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to make a drainage slab. So for that, first of all, we will have to convert our slab to an item. This will give us a warning, but you don't have to worry about it. And now you have to select your item, and from there you will get an option of geometry editing. From there you have to choose edges, and now you can mark those edges. Now just go to the front view and choose the handles. Now using these handles, go down by 50 mm. Now go back to the 3D view. Now you have to provide a pipe over here, and for that I will use my steel column. So I have already selected pipe 200 and I will provide it over here. So you can see my pipe has been provided. Now all I have to do is to change the dimension. I will make the top to 200. And you can see my pipe is visible over here. Now go to edit, then part cut, select my slab and then my pipe. And you will see that you have a hole over here. So this is how you can make a drainage hole in a slab, and you can see it from the top view. So this is how you can design a drainage slab in Tekla Structures. If you want to get more informative videos, then you can stay tuned to our channel. If you want to join our professional training programs, then you can get a Google form link in the description and fill this Google form. So that was all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.